Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install Hyper-V integration services in Windows VM. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Installing Hyper-V integration services in a Windows VM enhances performance and enables essential features like time synchronization, guest shutdown, and clipboard sharing. Here's how to set it up. Check if integration services are included. Windows Server 2016 and later, as well as Windows 10 and newer, already have Hyper-V integration services built in. Enable integration services via Hyper-V Manager. Open Hyper-V Manager. Right-click the virtual machine and select Settings. Under Management, choose Integration Services to view available options. Enable the necessary services. Ensure required features, such as time synchronization, data exchange, heartbeat, and guest shutdown, are activated. If a service is disabled, check the box next to it and click Apply. Enable Enhanced Session Mode. In Hyper-V Settings, check if Enhanced Session Mode is enabled. This allows clipboard sharing between the host and VM. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.